You can't touch this. You can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me. When I'm mind to rhyme and to like me, it feels good when you know you're down. A super dope homeboy from the Oak Town, and I'm known as such. And this is a beat you can't touch. I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living, and you know you can't touch this. Look in my eyes, man, you can't touch this. Yo, let me bust the funky lyrics. Fresh new kicks and bands, you got it like that. Now you know you wanna dance, so move out of your seat and get a fire girl and catch this beat while it's rolling. Hold on, pump a little bit and let the noise go on like that. Like that. Hold on a minute, just don't fall on back. Let them know that you're too much, and this is a beat they can't touch. Yo, I told you can't touch this. Why you standing there, man? You can't touch this. Yo, sound the bell, school is in, sucker. You can't touch this. Give me a song or rhythm, making them sweat. That's what I'm giving them now. They know. You talk about the hammer, you're talking about a show that's hyped and tight. Singers are sweating so fast, them a white or a tape. To learn what's it gonna take in the
Grüßt euch, der geile Fasching ist wieder aktiv. Dachte, sag ich Leute. Also, der Fasching ist nicht mehr weit.
Servus, der Zollig Achmed. Es wird hammergeil.
Und der neue Besen, der kriegt alles auf. Wir nehmen alles auf. Kämpfst zu viert soll's sein, das war bärig. That's meat! Jeden Blödsinn saugen wir auf. That's meat, bitte gehst ja.
Action geht's, macht den gleichen Tanz wie mir. Es wird mindestens 4 Leute sein. Alle, was mitmachen, kriegen einen Gratiskopf von Pantala rein und dann tolle Preise.
Und posten kannst du das Ganze unter der Facebook-Seite der Faschingsgilde St. Gertraudi.
Dachte!